Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my presentation. Before starting, let me give a short introduction about myself. This is Mafuza Efad and my student ID is 23MKT001. Now my presentation topic is definition of communication, nature, scope and principle of communication. First of all, what is communication? Communication is the act of transmitting messages and meaning from sender to receiver using media or channel. Second one, nature of communication. It is a dynamic, continuous and interactive process that can be verbal or non-verbal, international or uninternational. Third one, scope of communication. This scope includes organizational, international, mass and interculture across various fields like education, business, technology and media. Last one is principle of communication. Key principles includes clarity, completeness, consciousness, respectfulness, consistency, mindfulness and feedback. Here's a short explanation of each principles. To begin with, clarity. Speak or write in a way that's easy to understand. Next, completeness. Give all the needed information. Then, consciousness. Be brief but meaningful. Following that, respectfulness. Be kind, polite, and thoughtful. Moreover, consistency. Keep your message steady and on point. Furthermore, mindfulness. Be aware of the audience and situation. Finally, feedback. Make sure your message is received and understood. These principles form the foundation of effective business communication, helping ensure that messages are only received but also understood and acted upon in a positive way. That's all about my presentation. It's very helpful. I hope all about you. Thank you so much for listening me.